Ah, potholes. Those ubiquitous craters that plague our roads and wreak havoc on our vehicles. They are the bane of motorists everywhere, a constant reminder that even in the 21st century we haven't quite mastered the art of smooth, uninterrupted travel. But potholes are more than just an inconvenience. They represent a genuine danger to road users, causing damage to vehicles, triggering accidents, and generally making life a bumpy ride. Just picture this, you're driving down the road, humming along to your favorite tune, when suddenly, BAM! You hit a pothole with the force of 1,000 suns. Your teeth rattle, your car shudders, and your heart skips a beat. You've just experienced the joy of encountering one of Britain's finest, a pothole capable of swallowing small children and crippling even the sturdiest of SUVs. But it doesn't have to be this way. While we can't magically erase every pothole from existence, although wouldn't that be lovely, we can arm ourselves with the knowledge and tools to fight back. We can document the damage, navigate the often Byzantine claims process, and hopefully get the compensation we deserve. So buckle up, dear motorists, as we embark on a journey to understand, combat, and ultimately conquer the scourge of the pothole. So you've hit a pothole. Now what? First things first. Check yourself and your passengers for any injuries. Safety first, always. Once you've established everyone is okay, it's time to assess the damage to your vehicle. Potholes can cause a surprising amount of havoc, from minor tire punctures to major suspension damage. Common casualties include flat tires, dented rims, wheel alignment issues, suspension problems, and even bodywork damage. It's crucial to have a mechanic thoroughly inspect your vehicle for any hidden damage, as what might seem like a minor issue could be masking a more serious underlying problem. Now, here's where the paperwork comes in. You need to document everything. And I mean everything. Take clear photographs of the pothole itself, capturing its size and depth. Photograph the damage to your vehicle from various angles. Note the date, time, and exact location of the incident. This information will be crucial when you file your claim. Obtain a detailed written report from your mechanic outlining all the damage and the estimated cost of repairs. This report will serve as concrete evidence to support your claim. Remember, in the world of pothole claims, documentation is king. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case will be. Now that you've gathered your evidence, it's time to file a claim. Identify the responsible party, usually your local council. Find their contact information online. Draft your claim with all incident details. Attach photos, mechanic's report, and documents. Be prepared for resistance. Stand firm. Now let's talk about insurance. If you have comprehensive car insurance, you might be covered for pothole damage. However, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, making a claim could affect your no-claims bonus, potentially increasing your premiums in the future. Secondly, you'll likely have to pay an excess, the amount you contribute towards the cost of repairs. Before making a claim on your insurance, weigh the pros and cons. Sometimes it might be more cost-effective to cover the repairs yourself, especially if the damage is minor. If you're unsure, contact your insurer for advice. They can explain your coverage and help you decide the best course of action. In conclusion, navigating the world of pothole damage claims can be a bumpy ride, but with the right knowledge, preparation, and a healthy dose of persistence, you can increase your chances of receiving the compensation you deserve. Remember, document everything, be polite but firm in your dealings with the council, and don't be afraid to seek legal advice if needed. And most importantly, keep your eyes peeled for those pesky potholes.